Hi, this is not going to be a how to repair video or anything like that. This is more of a frustration video from me. And we work on a lot of electric fence chargers and stuff for people, and we get a lot of them in different brands, ages, styles. I have nothing against people trying to fix it themselves and stuff, but if you're going to send me a unit to work on, even if you took it apart and messed around with it, try to put it back the way it was the best you can, or at least send me all the parts to make it up. I got a unit here, a Gallagher M800 that came from a individual, and I opened it up and it's completely missing the circuit board right here. It's gone. I've called the customer. There's a bad feedback echo in the phone, and every time I'm trying to talk and leave a voicemail, I'm hearing myself talk back to me, and there's all those beeping noises in the message machine thing, and I can't even hardly get through the thing because I get so frustrated trying to leave a voicemail that it's just a pain in the neck. So I don't know if the person's going to call me back or not, but I don't have they didn't send me the circuit board for it. I need that part. I'm sure I've got junk boards I can fix and put in there, but if the board in here was bad, send it with it anyways. Let me decide if the board is not repairable or not, and if it's not repairable, I'll throw it away here. Let me make the decision for the repair. I'm going to be the guy that's working on the dumb thing, so send it to me for me to fix. Instead of just throwing it away, now I've got to dig through a box of boards and try to find a decent one, go through it, fix it, and put it in here. You can't get brand new boards for this particular model. I'm sure we could retrofit something in here, but it's frustrating. Now I gotta dick around with this thing and can't get a hold of the customer or nothing. So hopefully they'll call me back. We can talk shop about the thing, and if they've got the board, hopefully they'll just send it down here to me so I can play around with that board, and versus having to dig around through a box full of random parts boards to try to find a decent one to put in there. Or I'm going to have to take another board of some sort and retrofit it in this thing, and that's a whole other ball of wax you got to deal with. So if you got a unit, I can help you troubleshoot till the cows come home, or watch one of my 800 and some odd videos I got on YouTube. I've had to troubleshoot. If you just strike it out with the thing and you just can't figure it out, send it to me. Let me go through it and try to fix it for you, instead of making it worse than what it needs to be and causing more issues with the unit than what needs to be done to the thing. You go from, say, I'm just throwing out numbers, you go from $100 repair or $50 repair, you could add another $50-100 just because you messed something up in the dumb thing. So leave it alone. If you don't know what you're doing, leave it alone. Or send me everything that goes with it. I mean, some brands you can take the guts out and send me the guts to it, and we'll try to go through the boards and stuff like that, but that doesn't work for everything out there. And at that point, call me or shoot me an email or shoot me a text. There's all kinds of ways. Send me a comment down below. I don't care. Get a hold of me somehow. Make sure it's something that we can do with just the board only, or the whatever, before you just do what this person did and not send the board with it. So now I'm stuck in a rock and a hard place with the thing. I got to go either wait for the customer to call or go through some box of boards and try to find me a board that will work in this unit, and all that kind of mess. So I thought I'd put that out there to you. Not pointing any particular person out, but geez, help a brother out.